In this video we will show you how to mount the arm mount to your Mavic 3. First take the arm labeled left and connect it to the left arms of your drone as shown here. Next take the arm labeled right and connect it to the right side. You can connect the platform to either the top or the bottom of your Mavic. We will start by connecting it to the bottom of the drone. Start by aligning the gears of your platform with that of the rails on the arms. Make sure they are pushed all the way in. This may be a bit sturdy at first but will go more easily the more us use the mount. To close the locking clips, make sure to push firmly on the bottom of the clip until it clicks in. This again may take some force in the beginning but will go more smoothly later on. We can now click in any action cam like this GoPro Max. The same goes for this Qoocam 360 camera. Or this Insta360 OneX2 camera. If you want to have your 360 camera further away from the drone, you can add our double hinge and put the camera way lower. This way the drone above will be easier to remove in post later. For cameras with a camera screw hole, you will need to buy a 1/4 inch camera screw separately. You can find those in most online camera accessory shops or Amazon. I will put a link in the description below. I will first screw on a LUME LED light, but this works for all cameras with a 1/4 inch screw hole as well. I will leave you with a couple of videos of the Mavic 3 flying with multiple cameras on top and below.